Arbitrage trading involves taking advantage of price differences for the same cryptocurrency across different exchanges. CoinMarketCap is a valuable tool for identifying these opportunities due to its extensive data on cryptocurrencies and exchanges. Search for the cryptocurrency. Go to CoinMarketCap.com and search for the cryptocurrency you want to trade. Use the search bar at the top to find the coin. View market data. On the coin's detail page, scroll down to the market section. This table shows all the exchanges where the cryptocurrency is listed, along with price, volume, and pair information. Compare prices across exchanges. Look for significant price differences between exchanges. CMC lists real-time prices, helping you identify arbitrage opportunities quickly. Check fees and withdrawal limits. Factor in trading fees, withdrawal fees, and any transfer times between exchanges to ensure profitability. These details are often available on the exchange websites linked from CMC. Act quickly. Arbitrage opportunities can disappear fast as traders equalize prices. Transfer funds and execute trades swiftly to capitalize on differences. Monitor trends and updates. Use CMC alerts and tracking tools to stay updated on price fluctuations for better arbitrage timing.